Hey everybody, it's Scott coming from Southern California. We just got in this BMW 228iM Sport, so I thought I'd throw a little shot at you for you. Great ground effects. This is the 4-cylinder turbo 2-liter twin power. This one's got the 18-inch M Sport wheels with the upgraded M brake option. Nicely painted. 240 horsepower. .255 foot-pounds of torque. This one's pretty much a loaded model. Basically about $45,000 US dollars, that is. See the gas mileage averages 28. You get inside the driver's side. Take a little back shot here, but what a great looking car, especially when you think loaded for 45. It's got that great M steering wheel, easy to see the gauges. Got the big nav screen, Google imaging. And the tile that comes with the M Sport, nice and sporty. This one's got the black leather. One thing to remember with these are 2+2 seating, so a total of 4 seat belts. It's got the black headliner with the M Sport. But actually really a lot of space in the back seat, you know. If you're gonna have 4 average adults, you know, it's actually not bad at all. Seats fold down standard from the trunk, so you actually get a lot of space. Great styling with the way they've sewn the leather. It's got all the cool technology, standard Bluetooth. The navigation, you get the enhanced voice command system. As you can see, it's got the touchpad controller. Pretty much have that on all the new models now.